Hey everybody, and welcome back to another Trades and Gains tool time. And today we're going to go over Investor Club Central and specifically focus on our options flow scanner up here. So a couple things to note are we have these filters up top where we can see buys versus sells. So for example, if I want to see what options are being sold right now, I just need to uncheck that buy. And then, for example, I can see that SPY calls or puts were being sold at the 550 strike price at about $1.60 per contract. Again, if I want to just see the buys, I can come here and click buys, and this is going to show me what people are buying. So for example, IWM puts for 12/20/24 expiration at a 225 strike price. Again, if I want to see ETFs only, I can click this on and I will only see my ETFs, IWM, TLT, SPY, GDX, QQQ, so on and so forth, XLF. And if I want to combine some of these filters, for example, like big money, which is going to show me where the institutional money is coming in, I can go ahead and I want buys of ETFs that institutions are probably taking. So for example, I can see IWM puts for 117/2025 at a 220 strike price were one of the most recent quote unquote big buys because there were around 5,800 contracts adding up to about a 1.39 million spend. Or premium. So that is an indicator that I can use. Again, same thing. We have a combined filter, unusual and big money. So with this SPY contract down here, we can see there were people buying SPY puts for 117/2025 price. And again, I think this was a hedge position because we have two contracts around the same volume, $50 apart from each other. So this is most likely the same buy, just two different orders. But again, it's just unusual because SPY was very bullish this day. And going into our unusual, this is going to show us trades that are going against the norm or the trend in the sake, but are taking big positions, which again, this could mean for a volatile move within the stock. So these are some things that we'll want to pay attention to. So again, we can see if we only want to see, if we don't want to see ETFs, for example, and I only want to see what retail is getting out there on. I can hide ETFs and I'm only going to see retail tickers like OZK, PLTR, Zeta, Tesla, Upstart, Mara, MSTR, Run, so on and so forth. And again, I can use this as a gauge to see where unusual activity is taking place. I can also use this to find big money trades as well. So this is really how you can use these filters to find the trade that is right for you or help you confirm any trade ideas that you may have within the market. Take the guesswork out and let Investor Club Central find the volume and find the demand for that trade that you're thinking about taking. That's all we have in this video, and stay tuned as we break down the other sections of this platform.